Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. For the past 8 episodes, we have explored the incredible machinery inside your cells. From kinesin proteins walking along tracks to DNA folding into a microscopic space. But there is a fundamental question we have not answered. How do we actually know all of this? We can't see a protein folding or watch a molecule move. We are talking about a world smaller than the wavelength of visible light, a realm that is by definition invisible to a standard microscope. So, how do biophysicists peek into this hidden universe? They use clever physics to see the unseeable. And in this episode, we will explore 3 powerful tools that make it possible: fluorescence microscopy, cryo-electron microscopy, and MRI. Let's start with fluorescence microscopy. Imagine searching for a single clear marble on a dark floor. Nearly impossible. But now imagine that same marble glows bright neon green whenever you shine a light on it. Suddenly, it's not just visible but easy to track. That's the principle of fluorescence. Scientists attach tiny glowing tags to specific molecules inside a cell. When they shine a laser of the right color, only those tagged molecules absorb the light and re-emit it as a different color we can see. This allows researchers to watch a single protein move inside a living cell in real time, creating movies of the molecular dance of life. But what if you want to see the structure of a molecule down to its individual atoms? For this, we need cryo-electron microscopy or cryo-EM, a technique so powerful it creators won the 2017 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. The challenge is that electrons, which we use to see tiny objects, are highly energetic and will destroy a delicate biological molecule on contact. The solution is brilliantly simple. Freeze the sample incredibly fast, so fast that water molecules don't form ice crystals. This preserves the molecule in its natural shape. Then a beam of electrons is fired at the frozen sample. By taking thousands of 2D images from different angles, powerful computer reconstruct a 3D model with near atomic resolution. It's like taking thousands of photos of a car from every single angle and building a perfect 3D model, but on a scale of million times smaller. Finally, let's move from molecules to a living human with MRI. This is a beautiful example of physics applied to medicine that uses no harmful radiation. Your body is mostly water, and every water molecule contains hydrogen atoms that act like tiny spinning magnets. In an MRI machine, a powerful magnetic field forces all these tiny magnets to align in the same direction. Then the machine sends a pulse of radio waves to knock them out of alignment. When the pulse stops, the hydrogen atoms relax back, emitting a tiny radio signal of their own. The key is that different tissues relax at different rates. Water in muscles relaxes differently than water in fat or a tumor. By mapping these differences, the MRI builds a detailed 3D picture of your body from the inside out, giving doctors a window to see the brain, spinal cord, and muscles with incredible clarity. From glowing molecules and frozen snapshots of proteins, non-invasive scans of a beating heart. These tools all rely on simple, elegant laws of physics. They are our eyes on the invisible, bridging the gap between abstract math and the beautiful complexity of life. By understanding the physics behind these tools, you don't just see the image, you understand the story it tells.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.